All right, y'all. Welcome back to MKTV, better known Motor King. My man, damn, man, you don't gotta be like that, dick. Shit. Y'all see my man finally got that taper, got that shit whacked off his shit. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, we got my mans here. Y'all see it. First of all, we gotta get the twin turbo set up. So, go ahead to let it rip, baby.
Let it rip.
Go ahead.
I'll start it up.
He finna give us a sound up. It's crazy. He got me, hey. Y'all see it? All right. So he gonna get out. He gonna let us know everything. We only gonna do a couple of sets of races. Of course, you know, I don't have fifth brand new clutch installed, so we working with the kinks. So, you know, this is not gonna be the first and the last time we run, but guaranteed we will be back once we get everything. Now, just tell us about it, boss man.
It's 428i, 4-cylinder twin turbo. It got stage 2 tune on it, little plug and play action with catalyst downpipe, full exhaust, and I ain't take that's really about it. It's my boy right there.
Oh, he lost to me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey man, I didn't have everything, man. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead, y'all. Next time you see us, we're gonna be on the highway. We're gonna go undisclosed location, and we're gonna go ahead. What's up, kid?
Sam.
Oh, y'all know, y'all seen this car here before. Same.
No, I didn't. This ain't the same one. This is a new one right here.
Oh, hey, okay. My, you know what?
I wish you still had that Camaro though. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm so sorry.
Camaro.
Yes, sir. Well, so this gonna be in the next few drops.
Yeah.
Down the road?
Yeah.
All right.
But I'm stock right now, so.
Oh, okay. I'm on a whole lot of bullshit. Trust me. That motherfucker on pins and needles. So, y'all see it. Everything gonna be in the next few videos. So, he's stock for the moment. So if we do race, it's not gonna be nothing major. Y'all see it. Q50 Life. Nice pipes. So I guess I'm the little guy in this race. So we're gonna see how everything stack up. Okay. We got you, baby. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this in. So I need to go ahead and get my cover shot, because these cars is definitely nice. I might even get an epic build up of the BMW if you let me drive that motherfucker, because that motherfucker is definitely nice. Fuck it. Why not? Woo! So, y'all see it. Everything. Take me for a spin?
I'll take this spin.
Go for it.
It looks like they fucking did hammer it in.
All right, cool. Give me like 5 minutes. We're gonna spin the block, get it in. All right, y'all see the M Performance. Damn, this motherfucker nice.
Appreciate you, man.
Go for it, boss man.
For real?
Hey, I already heard what he said. Hey, so what we gonna do? We're gonna take that back road. We're gonna take the back way, and then you can stop up there, and I'll walk, and I'll just come meet you.
For sure.
Cause I already heard.
Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, damn. Hold on, call him back and just tell him meet us at Walmart. My boy, my keys in my car, and just tell him my boy meet us up here.
Somebody parking the back.
Yeah.
Hey, tell his boy to come meet us at Walmart, cause his keys are in the car.
I wouldn't even want you to.
No, it's in the car. It's in his car.
All right, y'all. So,
Alright.
if I drive?
Shit, don't matter to me.
Oh, hey. First time behind the BMW. We're gonna go ahead and get it in. Thanks to my man's right here. So, y'all know what it is. We're gonna go ahead, take the Grand Coupe. I ain't gonna lie though. If I lose, I'm coming back. You know, it ain't, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing major, you know.
I'll call it from right now. I'll probably get you from the trunk. Or if you do it big, but long game, I think you're gonna get me. Ain't no question about it. I reached the 5-0 the other day.
At least y'all know it's legendary, y'all. We're having a 5.0 is a real car. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and let my man's record, and we're gonna go ahead and get it in. All right. I don't know how to do all.
Alright, hold the brake.
Uh-huh.
And then you're gonna press this button, push down. Let's drive.
Okay. All right, guys. We in Empower. So how do I pedal?
Oh, so watch out.
Oh, I see. I'm listening.
Alright, so my paddle shifter's kind of fucked up a little bit because I coded them wrong.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to do this.
And drive it.
Yeah. Down is up shift and up is down shifted.
I got you. All right, guys. Okay. All right, guys. So we're having our first little drive around the Empower. Feel good. I can understand going for and shit for the money. Jeez. Shit, you put some more money in this, man, you guarantee walk some shit down.
Yeah.
So what made you get something like this?
My friends, man, all my friends had Beamers and I know how to tune this shit. So I just did it. I love this shit.
So you tune your own shit. When I say it pays to play, y'all, it pays to play. There's no doubt this shit nice. This shit nice. All right, guys. We're gonna definitely see if we can put them under the belt, and if we can't, we will be back. It's nothing to take a loss.
We're lapping around. We're about to head back to Walmart right now.
All right, y'all. We're gonna go full throttle and take a loss. I understand why. I know why. Oh yeah. Kind of like having a stick without having a stick.
Exactly.
But yeah, basically everybody like them and a couple of others, they took a loss. What's his name? He took a loss. I can't think of his name. He used to have like the older model M5.
Older model. Oh,
Gray.
Right.
I'm gonna get his name.
Alright.
Yeah, but this motherfucker kick. So what's next for it? Bigger turbos?
Bigger turbos, upgraded fuel pump. Yes, sir.
And see, the crazy thing with it's kind of different because it's like how you shoot is how I hold my clutch.
Yeah?
Because my clutch makes my pop. So if I like get on it, like once my car heat up again, you're like, when I say my pops is just about that loud, if not louder.
Watch out. Yeah, my shit just do it naturally.
Yeah, that mother. You need one of these.
Crazy, huh?
It's badass.
Just do this.
Oh, unlock.
Yeah, and then put
Damn.
yeah, that's how it is.
It ain't. Shit. Listen to the chemist, y'all. Listen to the chemist. All right, y'all. So we gonna hit the highway. We're gonna get it in. We're gonna go from there, y'all. That motherfucker definitely bad ass. All right, I was gonna say the best thing. Make a little noise, and we're gonna go ahead and get a couple of passes in. Wish us for the best. Y'all know where to check it out at. It's gonna be on by later on tonight. Y'all guys know how it go. Run up the views. Definitely subscribe. All right. All right, cool. Cameraman gotta do what he do best.
I talked to dude about it. He didn't want to let me test drive. That bitch sound good though.
Which one?
That one's right there.
Oh. Alright. This is the first one, y'all.
Now you should have got it on this side.
Y'all. So y'all seen it. We got the first one in. It was decent. It was good. We're gonna go for it again. I can't. It's gonna stick. Matter of fact, go for it.